Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kajing ther jong uslap ubajar lalai sngi kanthi hakani kanong ba Shillong bat hakaleng ki banta jong kajala kalawan ra ya kajing slei om haki babon kisnong bat bo hakajing seero ya ki paj ba ki basyong haki yeng ki baran harotwa dang haka shipau terek mentau naitong arajar kat khandai kajing ther jong uslap kalawan ra ya kajing tua ka khandau haka snong lapalang Shillong kajing slei om haka thain panthor om khra lang kerdeng ha maulai nong pedeng kabaran markham bat karot wa khra bat kiwei ki banta jong kasar Shillong kat hado balalom ya kajing tep na kaleng kejela hado menta kampat semladan kano kajing ja bas ngusi ya ki mensim breu watla kajing ther jong uslap kala peteng kat kom kajing maham jong ka Indian Meteorological Department ba kajing ther jong uslap ubajor ha kejela Meghalaya undang yai peteng hado ka khatlai terek mentau naitong araja kat kendai Nakalia Menteri Ketnat Revenue and Disaster Management uba kerman cela ha kaji keren berkinong pathai kubor ulai tho baka sarkar kelada betharu ya baro ki Deputy Commissioner jonggi district Bapero-per kajela bakin long ki bapet ngor bat ki balapan kre lada don kanu kajingja ke basngusi haba one shop ki bor kamariang ha kanu kapor kumjo na kajing ther ulabba ubajor
kum haki report ni yok lagi department mo nila iba ladon ki jaka ki la sha effect slab plus ki landslide flood and plus don ki sempun ru ni tu kum ya iwe khanap khatwe snema te ko sayong plus iwe BSF potura te how no slab no kajing hakini reports video ni lai art liquid sem ni ladu plus kidon ki jaka pengatip kum ki damage of vehicles plus kini ki two wheelers and all adon mo ki bala sha damage adon ni kato kami ki jikta ya ka po jo state ni regarding with this rainfall heavy rainfall ka report mengayo kade from 1st April hadu 10 of this month the as per ka report mengilayo number of villages affected kalong transfer supply from 1st April hadu menta and plus ka population affected 57,416 numbers and plus loss of life kumbaga umah ka recent armor plus climate manchwa from 1st April hadu muta 5 numbers loss of life and plus injured kidon hadu hinyangun plus houses damage kidon hani details which houses damage total number of houses damage 4,789 fully damaged is 333 partially damaged 2,996 and severely damaged 1,352 most kini ki Garo region so chate khambun no exact village kin thoane re isu batai ki number of villages ni hakanu kom ni la bana komden limanta hi nampan no panong nomor pesmin sedang mah mi HP ka akan kom ka damage jong gitu ka dan yang joni min persang hin ban IG arab ka ki bala base ha report min yo ki district level how to in pe ke ek jing arab la la okay ya kini relief assistance provided ka don hi ke jing arab ba mi arab no nalian jong di si la don tu fund ni saya ko labu fund na mata ka relief dai ye kini pat ki jinja kun kini yo la se wat kila yo la se dang don jing arab ki ba Bunsen dadani what is the development we have to make infrastructure mo hapshna ki jishna ki yin dene ki latis ki ban le re how to part think the one ku kini ki landslide and all wash away they have to ban on but it's not properly okay yashna proper bha ya ta not ban on ma no kini ka disaster when it happened haba ka jaya kumne long ni long very while ma nanong kumno proper words long ima da banong come it's not come up to ya ka ni ka jingshna jingi but as per kumhane po shi long iba ka construction bingishna long mo ki small construction re the big part shitwe part ki jaga ti ki big construction wash away by this calamities so they not banong na ke down so but still I believe that kumanga ima kidon kini ki engineers jongi apa ki department ki PhD PWD kila itre shitom hi ban ha kapor banshna ki buildings leni ki dams leni ki surok kila e persham hi as per ka guidelines si banshna to ki jingshna re ya kan ne pat ngimla it's just because they are not doing it proper nalian chonga ngon e ban kan ho ye ki bukli actually nalian chongi haji de bar kini gila imo from time to time ka don kini kijinja last time ni kini ka poli aden pa don kini kijinja slab flood and all then nalian chongi gila e persham ni especially la don kitimo NDRF SDRF DDRF kito gila e treshitona plus apa ki village level ro la don ki rapashno plus DC level for district level la don nalian DC but kitim ki departments ki prepare ngila etre sitong ki ban hygiene ya dan ta don kino jing ja kile rekata ro banong we are fully well equipped in but not banong mar dang tuna hino katu ane so last time ngila bunga on last time ngila don kaniga meeting ki officer level banya ngila e persham ki ban kendo ye sar kondrat so patik dulu in live so ban ki proposal yo le sita don ke jindon kamelian chuk department ban ai jing rabi ki bai ba especially ki equipment nalian chungi ya kini ki jing rabi ki ai long as per ka guidelines we pick lamba ki reports by from DC level positioning dan hagi nang nakito ki reports binyo ni sa pai ka jing rabi it's not that long ndon ka ta partiality you know long as per ka
tambalong harit
ini se to ka bin re kata rumah kat ka jingkot ka bor jing nilai pershanti so let's see ka ek mila ban if it happen lada mila ban extend par min pershanti ban yara re ban ong ni la bit ngan parlet ban mata na mari ka ni ha sigma ka dalian joy sa kontrat rumah ACCM no actually I have to say no how to report ni kendo bat ki officer dalian chungi ki officer ki omba ni kwa hi ban istio hi sir kanrano as a chief minister ban yolese kan dangdon kita ki measures begin shimo ki steps ban shim kumno banyada kumkini ki landslide ani kinu ki calamities yolese ku jinja last time for Mount India ni tuna ki equipment so how to pani I ka jinjari ni the kumkito ki jinja long ban avoid thing don't come ban ha mo ki equipment kanam chia should in future the long hakita ke kom ka list spot ki ki don't come ni ban don mata then link officer kita ya bangrai ya ka proposal ni yes sir